Hi guys, welcome to this quick tutorial. Today we'll learn how to change header color of your WordPress site. I will go through various different popular themes such as Hello Elementor, Astra, or maybe Ocean WordPress to show you how to change the header color using custom CSS, and we will also go through about changing the header color for a specific page only. So this video is all about changing the header color to your entire site, as well as if you want to change the header color for a specific page, then this tutorial will also show you how to do it. So I will start with Hello Elementor theme. So let's install it. Okay, so the theme is now installed. I will now activate it. Now let's visit the front end of our site. So you can see this is the default Hello theme, and this is the page, for example a inner page. So now if you want to change the header color of this site, let's inspect. To open the inspect, I'm showing you again, clicking the right button of my mouse, and from there you can see the inspect option. After that by default it should show up like this, and you can still control the view from here, and then you can select view such as dock to right, then it will show like this, or you can also put it like in the left. So here you can control the view. Okay, so after opening the insert element, I will now select use this option and inspect the page. So just hover over the header until it's get fully selected, like here you can see that the header is now fully selected, like it's showing up like if you click it, you can see that this is the header HTML code. Right now if I delete it, let's cut it. So okay, sorry, let's I think my keyboard delete button will work here. Okay, so now I deleted the header HTML code. You can see the header is gone. So that means that's the header we are after, my header HTML code. So I will now undo it. So the header is now back. So now we want to add a background color to this header section. So I will now keep the header HTML selected, and then use this plus icon here in the right, and hit it. Then it will show up this class. So from here I'll now click it and type background, maybe red. So you can see that the background is now red. Okay, yeah, so that's how you can change it. And after writing the code here, we will need to copy it, copy, and then go to our site dashboard. From there, customize, and additional CSS. Then we will paste the code here. Now you can see that the change is now live. So yeah, so that's how it works. But if you're not happy with the width of the header, you can also add another class, like let's say max width 100%. Yeah, so if you want the header to be 100%, you can also use this additional CSS property that will make your header 100%, and I think it's only for your hello theme. Okay, perfect. So that's how you can change your hello theme header color. Now let's move to, oh yeah, once you add the code, make sure to hit the publish button. So now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard and add in another theme. Now I will use Astra. Let's install it. And activate it. And let's refresh the page now. So you can see Astra has a different header style. So now I'll do the same that I did previously. Open the inspect element by clicking the right button of my mouse, and then use this icon in the left to inspect the page. Here you can see I'm now hovering over the header and it's getting selected all the elements, so that means I am in the right area. So you can see that the header is now selected, but the main HTML is here, like the the parent container is this. And so if I target this HTML code to style the header, I can do it, but I can also do it by targeting this as well. So let's target this one. Hit the plus icon when you have this option selected. Make sure that the HTML code is selected, the container or the div we are targeting is selected. Then hit the plus icon so that all the classes related to this div will be copied over here automatically. So now I will again type my CSS code like background red. Okay, so you can see that the background color is now changed. So after that, now I need to copy this code and go to my WordPress dashboard, customize, from here I think you know already. We'll now go to additional CSS. It's taking some time. Yeah. Okay, so paste the code here and publish. Yeah, so the header color is now changed to red. If I go back to my home page, and you can see the color is now applied even if I refresh the page, because I pasted the code here and published it. Okay, so I think if you follow this rightly on the most of the WordPress theme, you can change the color pretty easily. However, if you still not able to make it work, feel free to post a comment on this video with the URL of your site. I will try to help you to add custom code for your current site header. Okay, so now next part is we changed the color of whole site. Like if I go any page of the site now, and the red color is now applied. So now let's say if you are using any theme, maybe hello theme, WordPress, Astra theme, or maybe Ocean WordPress. So this trick will apply to all the theme, so, and it should work. And if you want to add a color for a specific page only, let's say I just want to apply a different header color to this particular post or page, or maybe WordPress has a simple page, and for example this sample page, I want a different color here in this page. So site wide it will be red, and only when someone reaches to sample page the color will be maybe green. So for this we will add a plugin called Simple CSS. So to add a plugin, go to plugins, add new plugins. From here search for plugin Simple CSS. yeah, this one. So we'll now install and activate it. Okay, so now we will refresh this page and go to the edit page option. So since we installed this plugin simple CSS, now we have an option to add CSS for this specific page only. So now I will use the same code that I applied on appearance customize option, like the code that I added previously. So here I applied the code. So now I'll copy it and paste it here, but I'll change the background color code to green, for example, and hit the update button. Now if I go and refresh the page, okay, for some reason it didn't work. Let's check the code. So if I check the code here, yeah, so here you can see the red color we applied before, but the green color is also applied, but because of the red it's getting less priority. To fix it, there is a thing called in CSS, it's called CSS important rule property. Okay, so what it does, it increases the priority of your CSS code. So you can learn more in W3 school if you search for it, like CSS the important rule. So I will now add this important with my custom code in here. Okay, so now if I update it and refresh the page, you will see the green color will be applied. You see? So yeah, and now if I visit the home page, it's showing red, and if I go back and refresh the sample page, it's showing green. So that's how you can do it. Hope it helped, guys. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.